Now be your man of the match.
For me, the man of the match. For me, just the man of the match. Make I say the man of the match. And Kolobali, I feel give. He try well. Kolobali try. He played the game to my satisfaction. He's trying. Kolobali on. Kokorola.
Kurela for you.
Yes, there are two.
So, but with this new performance what we dey see from Chelsea now, you dey confident say Chelsea go fit dey for within the top four by the end of this season?
They not dey argue that one. From now, if we play like this, we go dey the top four. We like this, so we go dey the top four. We like this now for sure. Anybody come our way, we go beat her, even Man City. I assure you. Everything I'm at.
Alright, now, okay, Blues, I want to ask you now. With wetin Chelsea they play before under Thomas Tuchel and wetin Chelsea they play under Graham Potter, you think say any small difference there?
Difference not deal, but this one are, if you remember when Tuchel come for the first time, na like this he take play.
They start.
The first match he draw, the second match he win. Just like the first and second match he draw, second match he win. Exactly the way Tuchel take come, na so if you take the go on. If you feel flashback or you remember many Chelsea fans wey watch Tuchel for the first beginning know wetin me dey talk. Na so e still take be. But if we follow up like this, I believe you, Chelsea na ogbonge. Till we die, na so we still play.
Deliver normally.
We'll deliver, I swear.
Okay, but with wetin you don dey see now from Graham Potter, if you wan rate am on the scale of 1 to 10, now wetin you go rate Graham Potter so far like this?
We so far with the match we don play like this. I give her 7%. 7% because e no easy to get. You don win straight 3 match now. 7% is okay. 7% is okay.
Alright, now I wan ask you about Kepa now. Kepa don come into this Chelsea team, and the way Kepa dey play, because the one dey be like say the benching for Mendy, come be like say the benching go long well. How you dey see Kepa performance since he come in to come replace Mendy when Mendy injure?
Bros, the true thing be say I no feel like for you. Keeper of the team, keeper good. Now when the defender they're good.
No be lie.
You understand? Wetin Kepa dey play now, I no fit assure you tell you say go bench Mendy. You understand? E get one error wey he make just now. He na sharp attacker, hold that ball. If I collect the ball from her, because he overcome her side. So I no fit tell you say go bench Mendy now, I no fit assure you for that one. So in dey try fight for your own jersey. Everybody dey fight for promotion normally. So they fight for your own jersey. So for me, I no fit assure you say go bench Mendy. That is the truth.
Alright now, okay, Blues, may I ask you now, I get one Chelsea player wey be like say dey cause argument normally for the internet lifestyle, for the social media lifestyle. Reece James, you think say na Reece James be currently be the best right back for the world?
For this see, nobody safe, nobody good, Richard. Nobody. Call any person from now, from his set, call anybody. Nobody good, Richard. Na the basic truth be that. Well, even you think who you wan call, say good pass, James for right back. Na James be the best. No be say based on you support Chelsea o. I dey tell you the truth. James na be the best. Nobody again. Nobody.
Alright now, Oga, okay, thank you for your time.